Yo guys, so in this video I will show you to get Pokemon Go Spoofer for iOS and Android. All the settings, joystick, bar on the right side of the screen, it's all here. So let's get into the video and I will show you guys how to download it for free. This is also not going to involve a jailbreak, so I don't know if people even do that anymore, but anyway guys, the site is zoomods.com. So go to this website. It's covered in like apps. It's like, I don't even know what any of this is, but I'm just going to type in Pokemon, and there it is at the bottom, Pokemon Go Spoofer. So press on that, and it is downloading now. So that is so cool, guys. Now, before it downloads, there is going to be a little like additional file installation step, which I'm going to show you guys how to do because I don't think you guys can handle this without a guide. I don't think you would know what to do. So let's download it together. So here we go. Pokemon Go Spoofer. Alright, so basically what happens is it brings you over here and it says please install 2 apps to automatically install the mod. Additional files are required. So there's like 4 of these apps. You just like press on it, you press tap to install. It takes you to the app store and you just gotta download it. So this one's like, what is it? Run for 30 seconds. Yeah, that's easy. They got TikTok. You gotta run for 30 seconds. I mean, I don't think this one will work because most people already have TikTok on their phone, but then they got the golf game. You got to reach level 10. So I'm in USA, so if you're in another country, they're not going to be the same apps, I think. I've heard stories, but anyway, guys, just complete this. You can see it says complete 2 more, so you only got to do 2 of them. But make sure you read the instructions, like reach level 10, install and run for 30. Otherwise, this will not work if you just like download the app and don't do anything on it. But I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.